Students, in previous class we have learned acid basis concept. In that two theories are completed. So which are, first one is Arrhenius. In Arrhenius, what is the acid, what is the basis? So whenever the substances is dissolved in water, it produces H plus ions. Produce H plus ion is called acid. Produce OH minus ions are called bases according to Arrhenius. But Arrhenius cannot explain the carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide acidity and ammonia basicity. Okay, that's why another theory was introduced, that is Bronsted-Lowry. So according to Bronsted-Lowry, proton donors are acids, proton acceptors or bases. Okay, so here is also Bronsted-Lowry cannot explain the aluminum trichloride, boron trichloride acidity. The acidity of aluminum trichloride AlCl3 and boron trichloride. So like this. So it can exhibit acidic property, but cannot explain the according to Bronsted-Lowry. That is the limitation of Bronsted-Lowry. Okay. So the last theory can explain the acid basis, that is Lewis acids basis theory, Lewis concept. Okay. So Lewis concept, according to Lewis concept, what is that? Acid which is electron pair acceptor. Okay. So acid means electron pair acceptor. What is the base? Electron pair donor is a electron pair donor. Okay. So this is a example of this theory. For example, boron trifluoride. Okay. So next, boron trifluoride plus ammonia. So nitrogen containing the lone pair of electrons. So these lone pair of electron donated to boron. So now here boron is a electron pair acceptor, nitrogen is electron pair donor. Electron pair donor is called base. So that's why ammonia is a base. And the electron pair acceptor is called acid. That's why boron trifluoride is an acid. Okay. So now it can form compound. Okay. So Lewis, this is a Lewis concept. According to Lewis concept, the substances which accept the electron pair is called acid. The substances which is electron pair donor is called base. So best example is ammonia and boron trifluoride. In ammonia, nitrogen containing the lone pair of electrons. So this is electron pair. So electron pair donor is base, electron pair acceptor is acid. Okay. So some examples of Lewis acids and the Lewis bases. So Lewis acid, electron deficient species. So generally electron deficient species belongs to aluminum trichloride, cobalt plus 3 ions, CO, small o, cobalt plus 3 ions, magnesium plus 2. Plus 2 means, plus means loss of electrons, is the electron deficient species. So in aluminum having a 1 empty orbitals. That's why it is belongs to the electron deficient species. So here is also boron containing the one empty orbital. So that's why it is belongs to the electron deficient species. So electron deficient species are Lewis acids. Okay. Next, Lewis bases, electron pair donors. Here 2 electron pairs. Oxygen capacity can donate 2 electron pairs. Okay. Next, ammonia can donate 1 electron pair. Hydroxide ion. So here negative charge indicate 2 electrons. Negative charge indicate 2 electrons. 2 electrons means 1 electron pair. So the capacity, how many electrons pair can donating here? So 1 electron pair can donating. So electron pair donating, that's why it is belongs to the base, Lewis base. Okay. So these are 3 concepts. According to 3 concept acid bases, we can determine. Okay. According to, once again repeated, according to Arrhenius, whenever the substances is dissolved in water, it can produce H plus ion is called acid. It can produce OH minus ion is called base. According to Bronsted-Lowry, H plus protons donor. H plus means we can name it as a proton. Proton means proton, H plus ion, proton. Okay, so proton donor acid, proton acceptor, base. According to Lewis, electron pair acceptor acid, electron pair donor base. These are T theories. Okay. And here Bronsted-Lowry, in Bronsted-Lowry, very important term is conjugate acid base pair. Conjugate acid base pair is very important. Okay. Example, HCl. Cl minus. So acid, it is a conjugated base. So HCl is a acid and the Cl is conjugate base. Why? Because this pair is called conjugate acid base pair, because in this pair, how many differ protons? Only 1 proton. So this pair which differs by only 1 proton, that's why this pair is called conjugate acid base pair. In this conjugate acid base pair, one is acid, second one is conjugate base. So one is base, second one is conjugate acid. Okay. So here loss of adding of proton, loss of proton is very important. In exam, what is that? One pair is given or one species is given like this. HCl is given. Write the conjugated base. Write the conjugated base of HCl acid.